Thank you very much. That's fantastic. That's brilliant. I'll give you the box back on yours because we'll have to use it again.
I've just been up against this one. That's a good smile. It's a brilliant smile.
Congratulations, Tate.
The carlton in red have the sort of loosely developed and said Fonzie
Come out.
Jones sculptor.
Right.
This is the black design.
Well, there we are.
So, Fonzie, did you put an entry into the upcycling competition?
Yes, I did, and I got a prize for it for the most wackiest.
Fantastic. Will you tell us about your idea?
So my idea was to just make one theme park, but you could see the night in it. So you can see it there. So it's a Warhammer diving pool. It's not too deep though, even though. And then all the pumps. There's a horror hotel. It's not very realistic. And then there's the big flag that shows you it is Warhammer Land. There's a Helter Skelter. It has a lot of things that do that.
Excellent. And what were you converting into?
An oil refinery.
And why do you need to think about converting an oil refinery?
Because if you don't need it anymore, if you don't need them anymore, it'd be just a huge space of land, like wasted. But
So I'm covering reception today. So introducing what the Repair Cafe do and then allocating them to the next step.
I'm the second bit in the chain, and people will bring me their form, and I will check that they've actually got their name on it and they've signed the disclaimer. That's very important. And then I will give them a reference number. And say they've bought something, we haven't had anything sharpened yet, we have loads of those. I have my form here, and I put the name in, the item and the time, so we can see if we've got a backlog of people building up, and perhaps we'll need to say to somebody, I'm sorry, we've got 15 people already, we'll have to come back next time. And then, when the item has been repaired, which hopefully it has been, I get the form back, and it says on here what's happened. Sometimes it can be a little bit unfortunate that we've done everything we can and it's not repairable, or sometimes it can be a fantastic result and it's fixed, and then we can feel very pleased with ourselves. And we also receive a feedback form where people will say,
I'm just looking at very cool.
sometimes what happens, like Terry comes down here and says he's returned to me because the item he's got is going to take home to fix because it's too complicated to do here. It needs a bit of extra jiggery pokery. It needs a vice, and Terry is vice for it. It might be one of those with it being
Have a think about if we could get some sort of.
well, perhaps I'll send it up to general members. I think that's probably, then they can pass you on to sewing if they need to. Yes. So you're going to be.
Stores out and stacking dominoes and you knock them all down.
Why have you brought it to the repair cafe?
it normally looks like this, and now it's broken. Looks like this.
Well, I hope you can get it mended. Excellent.
The repair
Good luck
cafe
with
can
that.
fix anything. Bye.
So,
Does that come out?
I don't like it. Black coffee.
What are you going to make?
Oh, that might just...
With hindsight.
Together, so we can take a picture of it together. We're just going to reassemble this. This is the photograph,
Ah!
and then we're going to see if we can make pictures together.
That's a great idea.
I couldn't find the record. I got the record.
Oh, I've got records. If I'd known that, I'd have brought a record with me.
Well, the thing is, I've been searching high and low today for my records because I've got half a dozen records, a big one and little ones, and they're tunes.
I've got an Al Jolson one. That'd be a nice one to play, wouldn't it?
Well, the thing is, they...
So this is an original wind-up record player. And we still have the styluses here, or the needles as we used to call them. The needles go into
Hold on there.
here.
That's a loudspeaker. And that turns if it works.
So there's the needle. And when we fix the spring, this will play records.
Wow.
That must have been from the early 1900s because my grandma got married in 1907 and it must have been bought second hand then. She must have bought it when the children were little. So maybe just...
It's wonderful.
And then the records, one of them is an older one from the late 20s, one of the...
Really nice tone when it worked.
Well, this one is a little bit sort of... You know, a little bit sort of cocky, but...
Oh, look. Look. It's not. It was just jammed in there.
What's this?
It's a record player. It's one of them old-fashioned things.
And what's wrong with it?
I accidentally pulled the arm off.
Have you got some records to play on it?
Yes, lots of records to play on.
Right.
Very sticky, this paint.
Should we just put it on it?
Well, that's what they were talking about last time, was effectively splicing the
Oh. So what needs mending?
This part here is where it's supposed to join up, but it's just about the right size to nip little fingers.
Oh, yes.
I don't know what it